Hello, my stamping friends. This is Renee Novak at blessedbycards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and I'm here to share with you 2 cards that I created using the Rolling Waves stamp set. This particular card, I also used some of the Designer Series paper from that, the Waterside Retreat, the little bicycle I cut out, and then the little bird is stamped from the Waterside relaxing waterside bundle. So I have a little bit of the rolling waves and a little bit of the paper going on here. So I started with a Cajun Craze card base, and to my layer of white, I made a sky of, I used the Timid Tiger, the Daffodil Delight, and the Petunia Pop to create my sky. And I just used a blending brush for each one of those and just kept adding layers until I got the look that I wanted for kind of a sunset-y looking scene. So then I stamped, this is from Rolling Waves, these are the waves, and I stamped those in the Balmy Blue. No, after I stamped those in Azure Afternoon. And so after I stamped those, then I took a strip of the crumb cake cardstock and I tore it just to make a little bit of a sand, and I used those little sand dune dots from the Rolling Waves stamp set, and just kind of created a little dimension on the sand dunes. I did decide at the very end to put some birds from that relaxing waterside bundle, and then I used the pelican and just kind of cropped him out and put him on the handlebars. So then on the inside you can put a piece of white and decorate however you want. So my second card, I again used the afternoon or the Azure Afternoon waves, and I kind of went to the side. I took my blending brush on my piece of white, and that is Pool Party, and I kind of tried to do just a little bit here and there to leave some white for my clouds. And then again, I'm trying to go on the side. So I took the piece of crumb cake and I tore it to create little sand dunes. And again, I used the same little dots that I used on this one from that Rolling Waves stamp set to create a little dimension. This little chair, the pelican, is from the Relaxing Waterside Bundle. And these little gems down here, the starfish, the seashells, and this little netting is actually from the Sunset Coast bundle. So I've been kind of featuring the whole waterside theme the last few weeks. So if you want to look back, you can see all the other things that I did with both of these bundles, the Relaxing Waterside bundle and the Sunset Coast bundle. Then I just stamped Hope Your Day is Perfect, and then on the inside, of course, you can put a piece of white and decorate however you want. And that is how sweet and simple those 2 cards for this weekly Wednesday come together. So thanks so much for watching. Join me on Monday for a Make It Monday tutorial. And until then, be blessed.